Most people think they know themselves. They don't. They only know the version of themselves they've justified, and that's why they stay stuck. If you want real control over your life, here's how you actually analyze yourself. First, self-reflection. Ask yourself hard questions. Why did I procrastinate? Why did I react like that? And don't give excuses like I was tired. Go deeper. Fear, avoidance, insecurity. Second, look at your results, not your intentions. If you say you're disciplined but can't stay consistent, you're not disciplined. Your results tell the truth. Third, understand your emotions. Stop reacting instantly. Pause and ask, what am I really feeling and why? Because if you don't control your emotions, they control you. Fourth, get feedback. Ask people what's holding you back, and don't defend yourself, just listen. Your blind spots are your biggest weakness. And finally, set clear goals with action, not vague ideas, real daily steps. Here's the truth. Self-analysis isn't comfortable, but it's the only way you stop lying to yourself and start actually improving.